What up? We in Vonte's world.
Vonte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn, I can't cuff you, baby girl, cause I ain't passionate. She want a real nigga, her last dude was average. I'ma get inside that pussy and I'ma crashing it. I'ma lay inside that pussy like a bassinet. Then I'm passing it, hop in the coupe and smashing it. My style extravagant, and I roll with the savages. My squad immaculate, and we living on some lavish shit. These niggas mad as shit, pussy niggas should never switch.
Before I actually go ahead and get all the new parts and shit, what I'm gonna do is just take all the old parts off and, you know what I'm saying, get it back ready, and then go get the new parts and start putting the new parts on. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in this video. Just started taking some of the parts off. As y'all can see, I had already took this fender off over here, so I already been working on it. So I got the driver's side fender off already. Probably get the passenger, the passenger fender off. Probably get the bumper off, and I think that'll probably be enough for today. And then we still just gotta take the radiator out and the hood off, and then we can start adding all the new stuff in. So I'm just about to set the camera up and just start working on it, you know what I'm saying?
we done got both of the fenders off. So at this point, we got this fender off. I had to remove the PCM, this computer right there, whatever that is, the air intake. Had to remove that, all so I can remove the fender. So we got that fender off. You know what I'm saying? We got this fender off. Now I'm about to go ahead and take the bumper off, and then we're gonna start working on that, getting that radiator off. So
that's the process, that's the progress that we at right now with it. So I'm about to get back to work.
To my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King. Bad bitch named Ashley. She bad and she gon' come and shake that ass for me. Twerk. Ashley, yo bitch added me. She all in my DMs sending snaps to me. I know you want her to come home, but she out with me. You went through the bitch phone, you just had to see. That shit.